In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot custom properties. If you want to track information in HubSpot that isn't included by default, creating a custom property is the way to do it. Custom properties let you store specific details for your contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or other HubSpot objects, so your CRM matches the way your business actually works. To get started, go to your HubSpot account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the account, head to the settings area. This is where HubSpot keeps the admin and configuration options for your portal, including the tools you'll need to customize your data structure. From settings, navigate to data management, then click on properties. This section is where you can view, manage, and create properties across different object types. If you've never been here before, think of properties as the fields that store information in HubSpot records. Next, select the object type you want this property to belong to. This is an important part of the setup because the property will only appear on that specific type of record. For example, if you create it under contacts, it will be available on contact records, but not automatically on companies or deals. So choose the object type carefully based on where you want the data to live. After that, click Create Property. This opens the property creation panel where you'll define exactly how the new field should work. Now enter the basic details for the property. This usually includes things like the label and internal setup information. Then choose the field type based on the kind of data you want to collect. For example, you might use a text field for open-ended information, a drop-down if users should choose from set options, or another field type depending on your use case. Once that's done, define the rules and access settings. This helps control how the property behaves and who can interact with it, which is especially useful for keeping your CRM organized and consistent. Take a moment here to review everything before saving. It's much easier to confirm the object type, field type, and settings now than to fix reporting or automation issues later. When everything looks good, click Create Property or simply click Create if that's what appears in your panel. Depending on your screen layout, this button may be at the bottom of the panel or in the top right. Once the property is created, it becomes available for use in your HubSpot records, filters, forms, workflows, and reporting, depending on the object and your account setup. And that's how to add HubSpot custom properties.